Hello, welcome back to EV DIY. This is my second EV conversion project, GT. Today we continue stripping down my BMW Z3. Going to get the front valance off, maybe some of the loom out, get some more fluids out, fuel, ATF, my favourite, and maybe think about dropping the rear subframe as well so we can get the petrol tank out.
Yeah.
No splitter needed, as long as you get deep enough. It just pops off. Bit of muck under there. This will all get jet washed once the engine's out. It gives us much better access. So I'm going to tuck this away in storage. Fortunately my gazebo has survived Storm Amy so far. And we can pull a few bits of loom off, label them up. And yeah, on to the next thing.
No.
I was talking about this, well, not subframe bracing bar the other day. I know I was right. Or rather I was back to front. It's not one bolt at the back and two at the front. It's two at the front and one at the back. Right there. Let's get this off. What are you up to?
Well, I'm not watching you, but I'm amazed, but the last car I took apart was an old Ford pot.
That'd be a cool project.
Yeah. Used to take about an hour and a half.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you.
You wait for me to get a TV show?
Yeah.
You and me both.
I'm waiting for you. Your daughter to stand there with the camera watching you.
Well, I'm recording this.
What?
I'm recording this.
Yeah. On your phone.
Well, no, I've got a camera, just not a very big one. One brace bar. Is it wrong to use an impact driver on a drain plug?
Well, I have seen a 12-inch steel pipe.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one option, but it has to be undone. Oh.
Is that done?
Yeah.
Oh, you are lucky.
Yeah. Oh, clean amber oil. Yeah. You don't need any more evidence of how good this car is. I've sold it enough times. But that oil is super clean. So off camera I've drained some of the fuel from the car, but I'm waiting for my wife to use more fuel in the family car so that we can transfer my 5 litre can back over again. I've topped it up once. She's out on a bit of a day trip today, so fingers crossed there'll be space in the fuel tank, so stick the rest in. Because it's old, but it's not that old. I've got a few of these now, and they do clean up pretty nicely. And I need some reservoirs. Thinking how nice it would be, maybe 3D print some caps, different colours to make sure you don't get them mixed up. And then have them at the front here. One for transmission, motor coolant, motor oil. One for water coolant for the inverter. and one for washer fluid. All neat, all in a row. Nice little steel or aluminium plate backing them. That would look really nice. Also thinking about doing a bit more engine dress up this time. I mean, I think the new DVLA rules, maybe I'll be reading this wrong, means I can get rid of excess brackets like this, and this, and clean it all up without upsetting anyone. This as well. Just have a very nice clean engine bay, likely relocate this, get rid of the washer bottle, or rather have a big washer bottle tucked away with that nice reservoir on the top of it, just so it all looks, you know, clean. Fulfill my new ambition of being featured in Copacetic magazine. I've decanted the oil out of here. I hope there's not too much coming out of here because I've run out of things to decant into. Need the kids to drink some more milk. This has got a 19mm on it. I think it's 19mm. It's an American GM, well, I don't know if it's American, it's a GM transmission on an American built car. You never know, it might be Yank units. But a 19mm fits. Whoa. Headbutting the engine does not help. Again, super loose. Let's get this cube off. I was going to try and take this off with hand tools as well, but I can't be bothered today. So, power tools coming out. Let's see if that works. I shall move you those because I don't want bolts dropping on the camera. That's not going to stop anything coming out. Before I go any further, I just remembered what a new toy. Digital angle finder. On. So, pop it on. Here, you won't be able to see this. I'll just pop it there. I think. Zero. So, relative to there, what I thought was the prop shaft. Oh. 5 degrees, exactly. Let's measure that again. 0. .1. There's damn it. Off camera, I've disconnected all of the fuel lines. All the hard lines are out now. It's disconnected or cut off at either end. That's not been focusing very well. Ah, it's because I've left the torch inside. Oh well. I'm not getting out from under the car now. Next up is brake flexes. So I've disconnected the handbrake lines inside. I don't know if you can see up there. Brake flexi. There's another brake flexi here. Very hard to do this. Looks like I can't see what I'm doing, let alone you. Anyway. quick bit of phone footage. That was more of a ball ache than expected. Had to use some mole grips to grab the other side of the flexi, now all wrapped in a plastic bag to stop it leaking too much. Getting the spanner on was challenging because of all of the dinitrol. So yeah, one off, one to go. Next one off. This one was even more of a ball ache actually. I did at least manage to get a proper spanner on the end of the flexi this time. Could get through the dinitrol to get it on there. But that tiny little space, you're turning it about a quarter of a turn, the actual nut, every time, so it took a long time. My bagging idea has not worked well. I now just have 2 bags full of brake fluid, so I've just stuck the yogurt pot under there to catch it. This one's going into the oil, whatever they're called, thing, pan, not pan, but you know what I mean. Anyway, brakes are off. Good news and bad news. Good news is I've had an offer on the engine, and assuming he turns up, he'll be coming on one evening this week. Bad news is it's not ready to pull yet, and it's pouring with rain, and I'm working away all the days that he's not coming. So, given the rain, I'm going to do this off camera and finish this video here. There's only a few bolts still left to undo, but I'm going to get rid of some trim around the engine, see if I can find the rear lifting eye, make sure that the transmission cooler pipes will come out. Other than that, it's kind of all there. So, and it can be done when I get back from London on whichever day. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. The good news is next video will probably be engine out and first look at electric motor going in. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.